Alright, imagine this. Taking a bite of some warm spaghetti in a delicious tomato sauce with a bunch of fresh basil, creating magic in your mouth. Hello everyone, you're watching Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today I'm making a classic Italian dish, spaghetti pomodoro. In Italian, pomodoro means tomato. This humble dish is simplicity at its best. With just a few ingredients, you can whip up a delicious meal in minutes. So let's go whip up some spaghetti pomodoro pronto.
First and foremost, let's begin by making our tomato sauce. Here I have a can of San Marzano tomatoes that I'm emptying into a bowl. Now I'm going to roughly crush the tomatoes with my hand. Now this is oddly very satisfying, but in case you're the one to not get your hands dirty, feel free to use a blender to make a puree out of these beautiful San Marzano tomatoes. Now to make the sauce, let's heat about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in this pot. When the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. We're going to saute the garlic till its raw smell disappears, being careful not to brown or burn the garlic. When the garlic becomes aromatic, I'm going to add 1 medium onion that's finely chopped. We'll saute the onions till they wilt and become translucent. Once the onions become translucent, I'm going to add a teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can increase or decrease the amount of chili flakes you add depending on how spicy you like your sauce. Next, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of Italian mix. We'll give this a quick stir and then add our crushed tomatoes. Thoroughly mix in the tomatoes and bring the sauce to a simmer on medium heat. Let the sauce simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes and then add some salt to taste. Also remember, there's already salt present if you're using canned tomatoes. Finally, I'm going to add a handful of some fresh and fragrant basil. I'm going to crush the basil in my hands and tear them roughly to release its flavors. Mix in the basil and let the sauce simmer for another minute or 2. Wow, this sauce just smells amazing.
Our beautiful pomodoro sauce is ready. Now let's go boil some spaghetti. Hey, that rhymed!
Here I'm bringing to boil about 3 liters of water. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, I'm going to add enough salt to make it taste like seawater. Now we'll do the mandatory spaghetti dance before we add it into the water. Boil the spaghetti for about 10 to 15 minutes or till it's done to your preference. When the spaghetti is perfectly cooked, we'll add it directly from the pot into the sauce. Add the spaghetti in batches as you keep mixing it into the sauce. It really helps to use a slotted spaghetti spoon like this one to help mix in the spaghetti thoroughly into the sauce. There you go, we are almost done. Check out this beautiful spaghetti pomodoro. Now let's get this beauty onto a plate.
Wow, look at how gorgeous this looks. Let's give it a taste. Buon appetito! Mmm. 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 Bellissimo! Mamma mia! This is what comfort tastes like. You should give this classic Italian recipe a try. And when you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams. See you next week. Bye!